Good day all. To determine the internal resistance of a given primary cell using potentiometer. Aim to determine the internal resistance of a given primary cell using potentiometer. Apparatus required: a potentiometer, a resistance box, a rheostat of a low resistance, a galvanometer, jockey, a battery eliminator, two one-way keys, and a cell. We have taken here a Vailankanni cell. Theory: the internal resistance of a cell is given by R, which is equals to L1 minus L2 divided by L2 into R, where L1 and L2 are the balancing lengths without shunt and with shunt respectively, and the capital R is the shunt resistance in parallel with the given cell. The circuit diagram: you may already know about the potentiometer. We have two connections in the potentiometer. We have taken P and Q. From the connection P, we have to take the eliminator positive, the eliminator negative to one end of the key and other end of the one-way key to ammeter negative, ammeter positive to rheostat lower end, rheostat upper end to the other end of the potentiometer. This we can take it as a primary circuit, and from P again we have to connect the eliminator, that is cell what we have, the Vailankanni cell we have, the positive. From the same we have to take it and the resistance box, low range resistance box, shunt we have. From the shunt to other end, key 2, and the one-way key of other end to the eliminator. The eliminator negative to high resistance to the galvanometer, galvanometer to the jockey. Let us see the circuit. We have two ends in the potentiometer. We have taken P and Q. From P to battery positive, from battery negative to the one-way key, one end of the one-way key, from other end of the one-way key to the negative of ammeter. From positive of ammeter to lower end of a rheostat, and from higher end of a rheostat to, in the potentiometer, one more end named Q. So this we can call it as a primary circuit. From the potentiometer end P, we have already connected to the eliminator positive. In the same leg we have to take a connection and connect to the Vailankanni cell positive. And from same Vailankanni cell positive we have to connect to the resistance box one end. From the resistance box other end to key to one end of the another key. We have two keys, right? One for the primary, another for the secondary. And you have to connect another end of the same key to the eliminator negative. From this eliminator negative 2, you have one more connection to the galvanometer. Galvanometer negative you have to connect. Galvanometer positive to the jockey, right? Connection may be little tedious. If you have followed the circuit diagram clearly, you may get the connection properly. We'll see the readings. Now switch it on the battery and the cell. Close only key 1. Now in resistance box you have to change the value, appropriate value you can choose, and check the deflection is for both sides. See the potentiometer and the galvanometer reading. It will get both side deflection. Now we'll take the length for open circuit. So 0 to 100, 101 to 200, 201 to 300, 301 to 400, 401 to 500, 501 to 600. In that range we got the deflection. Check it, checking the galvanometer, we got the value. See, you may check, you can get this both opposite directions. So we got the value exactly in 675. Yes. For the same value of resistance, by closing key 2, we are going to take, now see the balancing length, both sides it is getting deflected in the galvanometer. You have to check every time. Now we are going to calculate the balancing length key which is closed. So 0 to 100, 101 to 200, now 201 to 300, I think we will get the galvanometer get deflected to the null. Now 2, 39, 40, 45, yes. So 251 we got it. See the galvanometer deflection. Yes, for key 2 which we closed, we got 253. Repeat the observations for different values of R, repeating each observation twice, and we have to record the observations in the tabular column. Tabular column, resistance R in ohms, balancing length, open key L1, closed key L2, and internal resistance R which is equal to L1 minus L2 by L2 into capital R. The values fetch the tabular column. See that. For example, for open key L1, balancing length which is equal to 685 means we got for the same resistance 3, the balancing length closed key L2 253. For your convenience, we can see the calculation for one observation, R which is equal to capital R L1 minus L2 whole divided by L2. By applying all the values and simplified, we got R which is equal to 5.12. Result, the internal resistance of a cell using potentiometer is 5.12 ohm.